Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today's video is gonna be a Halloween makeup tutorial. This is the first time ever that I've tried like a Halloween inspired look, so I'm really excited. So I recreated this look based on Voodoo's Barbie doll picture, which I'll have it right here. I'm also gonna have all her information in the description box below, so you guys go check her out. She's awesome. And yeah, I'm so excited because I'm recording this video on the last day of September, and tomorrow is the first day of spooky month. So I'm so freaking excited because if you guys don't know, this October is actually my birth month, so I'm super excited because my birthday is coming up already. And if you guys don't know, I'm turning 20 already, so this is my last month being 18. So yeah, I'm so excited. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, then just keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia pomade in medium brown. I also primed my eyelids with the Wet n Wild concealer, and I didn't set it so the eyeshadow can be more pigmented. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is from Kara Beauty, and I'm gonna be taking this purple shade. I'm gonna be applying it all over my crease, creating that wing, because we're gonna be doing a cut crease. Now we're gonna be blending out that purple. Now we're taking this orange shade. It's a really bright orange shade, and we're gonna be blending it out with the purple. But remember to go back with that purple shade so it doesn't get lost with the orange. Now I'm taking again that concealer from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna be cutting my crease. Now I'm taking the It's My Pleasure palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna be applying it all over my lid to set that concealer. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. liner, and I'm gonna be lining my eyes. I'm gonna do a wing liner, and this time I'm gonna make it really dramatic. Now I'm taking the white liner from NYX, and I'm gonna be drawing the little ghost. Once you have the white ghost, don't forget to go back with that black liner and create the little eyes and mouth. What I did for the ghost is create like little teardrops. lashes that I'm gonna be wearing I got from AliExpress. They're in the style E80. They're really long and super dramatic, perfect for this Halloween look. So that was the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video just as I enjoy recreating it. And yeah guys, you already know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, comment. And yeah guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.